Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. So, guys, as part of this session, let us see an example on to be focused. So, what is the significance of this to be focused? This experts the element to be a focused element. Okay, whatever the element that you are working on, it should be a focused element. That's what the ultimate objective of this particular command is. So, this command we will be using along with, okay, we will be using along with the waitFor and with the timeout, both the things. Okay, so let's come back here. Let me create a new test. Okay, let me create a new test program to verify expect using to what was that to be focused, right? Just look at that command name once so that we can just specify that as to be focused. So here to be focused, okay, to be focused, just close it and open it. So it's suggesting me that, buddy, perform a click operation on a text fields and perform a click operation on a first text field. And I'm using a wait for element by data type at the index to be focused with this particular timeout. So immediately a question that comes in our mind, Surendra, you are not writing down any code. As and when you have a return the test name, automatically you are getting the suggestions. Am I gonna get the same thing? So just give it a try. Ideally, I'm working on this UI kit catalog applications as and when I type my test name, my copilot itself is giving me all these suggestions which I'm utilizing right now. Okay, perfectly all right. So let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether the to be focused is working or not. Okay, yeah, let us see basically. So the script is being executed. Yes, perfect. The script executed successfully. So this is the way. So how exactly we can deal with this particular to be focused? Okay, perfectly all right. In the next session, see you again with the next topic. Thank you.